So ladies and gentlemen, and to our dear educators, a pleasant morning again to all of you. I am France Portugal, who strongly believes that media is responsible for the rising crime rate of our youth today. So first of all, just like what we have mentioned earlier, we are at our curiosity stage, and each and every one of us seeks for new ideas. And it is just befitting that we are in a world of globalization, where modern technology is growing not only around us, but also in us. And media has become a part of that. And they say media gives us information. But are we really sure that these information are profitable for us? Or it is just a thing for us to go to the wrong path? So let me cite examples of media that brings us to the wrong path that I am referring to. First, on the internet, we have several pornographic websites around. And we cannot deny that many of our youngsters already are browsing these kinds of websites. And because of that, it resulted in 2,585 rape cases only in 2009. And for sure, it grew this year. Talk about computer games like Dota. 8.6% of worldwide Dota users are Filipinos. And majority of them are students. And these students tend to go to computer shops instead of going to school and use their money, their baon, to gamble. That is really worse. Talk about our radio stations. Lately, the Archbishop of Sorsogon reported that these two midnight DJs talking about rude stuff on air. Didn't they even think that it might affect children? Talk about television. Before, we were watching Apple, Sinescuela, Matinee, Once Upon a Time, and other educational programs. And look at us now. Television companies shows us teenage-oriented programs like Growing Up, Angelito, Ang Batang Ama, which showcases how to deal with relationships at an early age. And what's worse, with teenage pregnancy. Could you even imagine that, guys? And we are all living in danger of media, of violence. And now, we youngsters are becoming victims. And soon, we will become masterminds of evil things. But I, together with my group mates, will stop that. And it is never too late for us to make a change. That we, together with the government, in support of our school, the guidance of our parents, can still make a change. If media has not been present before and people have survived, then we, the modern people, can also survive too. Again, I am France Portugal of the affirmative side, saying, if there is change, there is progress. If there is progress, there is unity. And if there is unity, we are all happy. Thank you very much, and a pleasant morning to all of you.
Thank you, debaters.
Y'all did a great job. And to all the audience, let's give them a round of applause for a very great job.